Hi, and welcome to this video on how to delete your Snapchat account. Whether you're taking a break from social media or just moving on from the platform, this step-by-step guide will show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account. First, log in to your Snapchat account. Once you're on the main screen, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear in the top right-hand corner, and tap on it to access your account settings. In the settings menu, you'll see a wide range of options for customizing your Snapchat experience. You can manage privacy settings, notifications, and much more. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on deleting your Snapchat account. Scroll down until you reach the Account Action section. Here, you'll find various options like Clear Cache Clear Conversations and Delete Account. Go ahead and click on Delete Account. You'll then be redirected to a confirmation page where Snapchat will ask if you're sure you want to delete your account. If you're ready to proceed, click Continue. Although I'm not going through with the deletion. If you decide to continue, Snapchat will double-check your decision one final time. Once you've confirmed your choice by clicking Delete, your account will be deactivated for 30 days. During this time, your friends won't be able to contact or interact with you on Snapchat. If you don't log in within those 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. That's how you delete your Snapchat account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching.